Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize the flashlight brightness in this device. For this, open the control center and here you can see the torch. Tap and hold the torch. Now you can see. So if to customize the flashlight brightness, tap on this one and tap on this one. You can see we can customize. This is the wider. We want to make a narrow light like this. You can adjust the brightness. Let me show you. So simply in this way you can customize the flashlight brightness in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.